Hi, I'm Kerry Webb with your Blue Collar Blueprint, and I'm here today to talk with you about growing your service business. Why? Because I believe blue collar businesses are the heartbeat of America. You're the reason we're not a third world country. You make sure we have reliable electricity, clean water, and refrigeration. So, it's important that your businesses are healthy and grow, but it doesn't have to be that complicated. You don't necessarily need more trucks, more people, or a massive marketing campaign, but you do need a plan. So, would you let me walk you through a 7 step growth process for blue collar businesses? Step number one, know where you are. Step number two, decide where you want to be in 12 months. Start with being informed, know your numbers, and decide where you want to go over the next 12 months. Step number three, find your money leaks. Step number four, pick your top 3 growth priorities every quarter. And step number 5, build a weekly plan. Find the money you're already leaving on the table, choose your top growth priorities, and build a weekly action plan to get things done. Step 6, super important, track your scorecard. Step 7, review, coach, and improve. Track your results, coach your team, and help everyone improve at least 1% on one thing every week. 7 steps, one simple objective. Take your business to the next level. I'm Kerry Webb with your Blue Collar Blueprint, here to help you in any way I can. Build the business, build the team, build the life.